I'm finding actual searches of Poshmark buyers. They're going in and they're searching for weird stuff, and we're going to go through and identify some new keywords that maybe we're not putting in our listings, potentially missing out on sales. So we want to go in, find these crazy keywords that buyers are looking for so we can add them to our listings and make more sales on Poshmark. Let's dive in. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. It's another crazy keywords video for you today. I just completed the Bolo brands $50 plus, and now I'm going to go over the keywords that I'm potentially finding as a result. So if you haven't seen those Bolo brands videos, I think they're a really good resource and you should check them out. I have a playlist up here. Now I'm doing these crazy keywords videos where I'm finding actual searches of Poshmark buyers. They're going in and they're searching for weird stuff, and we're going to go through and identify some new keywords that maybe we're not putting in our listings, potentially missing out on sales. So we want to go in, find these crazy keywords that buyers are looking for so we can add them to our listings and make more sales on Poshmark. Let's dive in. So I've got 10 different listings. Let's see what these buyers are searching for. Red day trip striped top, red Hollister bow back top, bow back, okay, interesting. Maurice's tank top, papaya tank top, tart tunic, theory flowy top. So flowy is definitely a keyword that I have added into my mix over time. I find that it is something that people do search for often. One can never know if that's the keyword that makes your item sell. You just don't know these things. But the point is to add as many relevant keywords as you can so you show up in as many searches as possible, and flowy is a really good one to add. Bandage top, that is a good one. Flowy again, and halter top. So again, when something comes up a lot, I'm going to kind of skip over it just to save time. And also, I've been reading these kind of on the fly so we can get that like initial gut reaction. But let me know in the comments below, would you rather me filter through the results first and then just show you the things that I think are exceptional in some way, or do you like that I go through them on the fly? Because I can make the video shorter if I don't do all of that. Mimi Chica sheer top, Michael Kors polo shirt, Michael Stars knit top. And I guess the idea of calling something a shirt versus a top is good. Massimo Supply camisole, cami versus camisole, knit top, low cut top, that's interesting. So if it's like a plunge, deep V, V-neck, low cut, that's something that I probably wouldn't have put, but I should put because somebody's searching for it. Low cut top, I like that. Polka dot top, motherhood maternity blouse, 9 West blouse, open front, button up top. It's not really open up if it's open front if it's button up, but whatever. Okay, Club Monaco, sheer top, Coldwater Creek, collared shirt, polo shirts, color story, tank top, deep open, black halter top, purple crop top. Tunic obviously is a good one, and tube top. Nothing too crazy there. Again, the video that I did where I pulled these up is the Bolo brands video, and it was all about tops. So most of these are going to be tops related. BKE sheer top. Now we've seen sheer come up a couple times. This is key. You want to be able to see the types of things that people are searching for. Don't forget to stop by the Rebecca the Reseller Academy, where you can find all of the products and all of the educational tools I have available for you, including all the free goodies. Here you can find coaching calls, Poshmark closet reviews, digital downloads, including my free reseller resource guide, as well as all of my courses and all of the bundles to save you lots of money. Hope you'll stop by soon at the Rebecca the Reseller Academy. Black BCBG tunic, black Bebe boat neck top. Boat neck is good. Bustier, camisole, striped t-shirt, keyhole top. So keyhole is a good keyword. Again, nothing crazy. These are things that we should know, but I think flowy so far, if you didn't know to put flowy, that's important. Crop top, t-shirt, 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 denim. So I think low cut and flowy are probably so far the big takeaways. Rebecca Taylor, flowy top. There we go again. Keyhole top, polka dot top, flag crop top, vintage blouse. And again, anytime there's something in the print, You want to be calling all of those things out as keywords. Chambray, that's a good keyword. Vera Wang camisole, flowy top again, sheer top again. So sheer, flowy, low cut, yes. Graphic tee, I forget this often, though I will tell you I don't sell a lot of graphic tees. I think most people at this point know to call it a graphic tee, but that's obviously good. Here's another low cut. Interesting. Black BCBG Max Azrael low cut top. Yes, low cut is a good reminder for me. There goes boat neck again, another bustier. Tunic has come up. And again, top, blouse, shirt, tunic. These are all things that people are searching for. So you want to have all of them as they apply. I mean, obviously tunic doesn't apply to everything, but shirt, top, blouse could potentially all classify for the same item. Vera Wang tank top, pink long sleeve shirt, perfect tee LuLaRoe, baby doll top, baby doll good. Sequin tank top, I'm not reading off the brands because that's less keyword important. You're going to put that anyway. Choker top, okay, you know, that's definitely when it's got something in and around the neck, that's important. Alien shirt, I wonder how many people search for alien shirts. Knit top, polka dot top, tank top, blouse, denim shirt, corset top, polo shirt, sheer top, striped top, knit top. So those are all kind of basic. Black and white Hollister white lace crop top, black and white hot pink lace crop top, black and white Hollister camisole, black and white Inc. International Concepts camisole, black and white Justice striped top, ruffled top, wrap top. So that's not the first time I've seen wrap top. When I did my sweater video, I saw wrap sweater. So these are important. Flowy again, blouse, striped. So this one I feel like didn't yield as many, but I think just as important when you go through to find something new, sometimes it's good to get a reminder of the old. So for me, it was a reminder that flowy is really still a really important keyword that when it applies, we should be adding. Low cut was probably the big takeaway for me. We saw sheer several times. We saw a few other things several times, but to me, low cut, I don't ever put that. I put plunge, deep V, scoop, things like that. So yes, that's low cut is the winner for me. And then if you don't know to put flowy, I think that is important as well. So these are great, crazy keywords. You can do this kind of search anytime. Just pull up any listing, any sold or available listing, scroll down, and on the computer, you'll see people also searched. And there's like a never-ending amount of these that you can find out there. I'm going to keep doing these videos as long as you guys keep watching them. There's always a few good takeaways, so I hope you'll continue to watch them. And let me know in the comments below if you want me to pull out the best stuff or if you want me to go through them live because you find that that's also interesting. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!